IBM Operational Decision Manager Online Training. Introduction to IBM Operational Decision Manager, ODM. IBM Operational Decision Manager, ODM, is a comprehensive decision automation platform designed to manage business rules and business events. Here's an introduction to its key features and capabilities. Rule management. ODM allows businesses to capture, author, validate, and manage business rules. These rules define the logic and criteria used to make automated decisions within applications and processes. Decision services. It provides decision services that encapsulate business rules and decision logic in a reusable and scalable manner. These services can be integrated into various applications and systems to automate decision-making. Event handling. ODM includes capabilities for handling business events, allowing organizations to respond dynamically to changing conditions or triggers in real time. Analytics and monitoring. The platform offers tools for monitoring decision performance, analyzing decision outcomes, and optimizing decision-making processes over time. Integration. ODM integrates with enterprise applications and IT environments through standard interfaces and APIs, facilitating seamless deployment and interoperability. Business user accessibility. It features a user-friendly interface designed for business users to author and manage rules, reducing the dependency on IT resources for rule maintenance. Scalability and performance. ODM is designed to handle large-scale rule deployments and high transaction volumes, ensuring robust performance and scalability. Versioning and governance. It provides capabilities for versioning rules, managing rule life cycle, and enforcing governance policies to maintain consistency and compliance across decision-making processes. Deployment options. ODM supports deployment both on-premises and in cloud environments, providing flexibility based on organizational needs and IT infrastructure. Advanced decision optimization. For complex decision scenarios, ODM includes capabilities for decision optimization, helping organizations find optimal solutions based on defined constraints and objectives. Key components of IBM ODM. IBM Operational Decision Manager, ODM, consists of several key components that collectively support the management and execution of business rules and decisions. Here are the main components of IBM ODM. Decision Center. Decision Center is a web-based tool used by business analysts and decision stakeholders to manage decision logic and business rules. It provides capabilities for rule authoring, version control, testing, simulation, and governance of decision-making processes. Decision Server. Decision Server is the runtime component responsible for executing business rules and decision logic in production environments. It includes components for rule execution, decision services deployment, and integration with business applications and processes. Rule Designer. Rule Designer is an Eclipse-based integrated development environment (IDE) used by rule developers to create and debug business rules. It provides tools for rule authoring, validation, and integration with other development tools and environments. Execution Server. Execution Server is part of the runtime environment that executes decision services and manages rule execution at runtime. It ensures scalability, performance, and reliability of decision services deployed in production. Decision Governance Framework, DGF. DGF is a set of capabilities within Decision Center that supports decision governance, including rule life cycle management, compliance monitoring, and audit trails. It helps organizations maintain control and transparency over decision-making processes. Integration Adapters. IBM ODM provides integration adapters for seamless integration with various enterprise systems and platforms. These adapters facilitate the incorporation of decision services into existing IT architectures and business processes. Decision Warehouse. Decision Warehouse is used for tracking and analyzing decision performance metrics and historical data. It supports decision analytics, reporting, and optimization of decision-making processes over time. Decision Management and Business Rules in IBM ODM. IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, is a comprehensive platform for managing business rules and decision logic within an organization. It allows businesses to automate and manage decisions based on rules and analytics. Here are some key aspects of decision management and business rules in IBM ODM. Rule authoring and management. IBM ODM provides tools for authoring, managing, and maintaining business rules. It supports a rule-driven approach to decision-making, allowing rules to be defined and modified without changing the underlying application code. Decision Services. ODM enables the creation of decision services that encapsulate business rules and decision logic. These services can be integrated into applications, processes, or workflows to automate decision-making based on real-time data and conditions. Rule execution. Business rules defined in IBM ODM can be executed in various environments, including cloud, on-premises, or hybrid deployments. The platform ensures consistent execution and enforcement of rules across different channels and applications. Integration capabilities. ODM integrates with other IBM and third-party systems, allowing seamless integration of decision services into enterprise applications and processes. This integration capability supports interoperability and data exchange between different systems. Analytics and monitoring. IBM ODM includes analytics and monitoring features to track the performance and effectiveness of business rules and decision services. It provides insights into rule execution, decision outcomes, and business impact, enabling continuous optimization and refinement of decision logic. Scalability and performance. ODM is designed to handle large-scale deployments and high-volume transaction processing. It ensures scalability and performance optimization to meet the demands of mission-critical decision-making applications. Versioning and governance. The platform supports version control and governance of business rules and decision services. It provides capabilities for managing rule life cycle, versioning, testing, and deployment to ensure compliance and consistency across the organization. Integrating IBM ODM with enterprise systems. Integrating IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, with enterprise systems involves ensuring seamless communication between ODM's decision services and other applications or systems within your organization. Here are some key steps and considerations for integrating IBM ODM with enterprise systems. Identify integration points. Determine which parts of your enterprise architecture will interact with IBM ODM. This could include backend systems, APIs, databases, or other middleware. Decision Services Definition: define decision services within IBM ODM that encapsulate your business rules and decisions. These services will be invoked by external systems to get decisions based on the rules defined in ODM. APIs and interfaces: ODM provides various integration mechanisms such as RESTful APIs, Java APIs, and web services, SOAP. Choose the appropriate interface based on your enterprise's technology stack and integration requirements. Data integration: ensure that the necessary data required for decision-making is accessible to IBM ODM. This might involve integrating with databases, data lakes, or real-time data sources depending on your use case. Security considerations: implement security measures such as authentication, authorization, and data encryption to protect data and ensure secure communication between IBM ODM and other enterprise systems. Monitoring and logging: set up monitoring and logging mechanisms to track the performance of decision services and troubleshoot any integration issues that may arise. Testing and validation: thoroughly test the integration to validate that IBM ODM behaves as expected when integrated with different enterprise systems. This includes testing different scenarios, error handling, and performance under load. Documentation and support: document the integration process, including configuration settings, API endpoints, and any dependencies. Ensure there is sufficient support for ongoing maintenance and troubleshooting. Use cases and applications of IBM ODM. IBM Operational Decision Manager, ODM, is a powerful tool for managing business rules and decisions within an organization. Here are some common use cases and applications of IBM ODM. Decision automation: ODM helps automate and manage complex business decisions based on rules and policies. This can range from simple approval workflows to complex, dynamically changing decision processes. Regulatory compliance: organizations use IBM ODM to ensure compliance with regulations and standards by embedding regulatory rules directly into their decision-making processes. Customer experience enhancement: ODM enables organizations to personalize customer interactions by making real-time decisions based on customer data and preferences. This can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Risk management: ODM helps manage risk by applying consistent rules and policies across different areas of the business, such as credit risk assessment, fraud detection, and regulatory compliance. Operational efficiency: by automating decision-making processes, IBM ODM can streamline operations and reduce manual intervention, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings. Dynamic pricing and offer management: ODM can be used to dynamically adjust pricing and offers based on customer behavior, market conditions, and business objectives, optimizing revenue generation. Supply chain optimization: ODM can optimize supply chain decisions such as inventory management, demand forecasting, and logistics planning based on predefined rules and real-time data. Insurance underwriting and claims processing: in the insurance industry, ODM is used to automate underwriting decisions, claims processing, and fraud detection, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Healthcare decision support: ODM can support healthcare providers by automating clinical decision support systems, treatment protocols, and patient care pathways based on medical guidelines and patient data. Cross-sell and upsell strategies. ODM enables organizations to create and execute effective cross-sell and upsell strategies by determining the most relevant offers and promotions for individual customers. Benefits of implementing IBM ODM. Implementing IBM Operational Decision Manager (ODM) offers several benefits. Decision automation. ODM allows organizations to automate complex decisions using business rules and events, reducing manual effort and improving consistency. Agility. It enables quick adaptation to changing business rules and regulatory requirements, ensuring compliance and responsiveness. Improved decision quality. By centralizing and managing decision logic, ODM helps ensure that decisions are made based on accurate, up-to-date information, improving overall decision quality. Operational efficiency. ODM integrates with existing systems and applications, streamlining decision-making processes and reducing operational costs. Business user empowerment. It provides tools that enable business users to author, test, and manage business rules without extensive IT involvement, fostering agility and reducing time to market for rule changes. Analytics and monitoring. ODM includes capabilities for monitoring decision performance and business rule execution, allowing organizations to analyze trends, optimize rules, and improve decision outcomes over time. Scalability and performance. ODM is designed to handle large volumes of transactions and scale as business needs grow, ensuring reliable performance under varying workloads. Integration. It integrates seamlessly with other IBM and third-party systems, leveraging existing IT investments and enhancing interoperability across the enterprise. Compliance and auditability. ODM provides features for auditing decision processes and maintaining compliance with regulatory standards, ensuring transparency and accountability in decision-making. Real-time decision-making. It supports real-time decision-making scenarios, enabling organizations to respond quickly to customer interactions, market changes, and operational events. Real-time decision-making with IBM ODM. Real-time decision-making with IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, involves leveraging rules and analytics to make automated decisions instantly based on real-time data. Here's a brief overview of how it works. Rules management. IBM ODM allows you to manage business rules that govern decision-making. These rules can be defined based on various criteria such as customer data, transaction details, or contextual information. Event processing. It supports event-driven decision-making where decisions are triggered by real-time events. Events can include customer interactions, system alerts, or changes in data. Decision services. IBM ODM provides decision services that encapsulate the decision logic and rules. These services can be invoked programmatically or integrated into business applications and processes. Analytics integration. It integrates with analytics platforms to incorporate predictive models and statistical analysis into decision-making processes. This helps in making informed decisions based on historical data and trends. Scalability and performance. IBM ODM is designed to handle large volumes of transactions and decisions efficiently, ensuring scalability and performance in real-time environments. Monitoring and optimization. It includes tools for monitoring decision performance and optimizing rules and processes over time. This ensures that decisions are always aligned with business goals and performance metrics. Scalability and performance tuning in IBM ODM. Scalability and performance tuning are crucial aspects in IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, to ensure efficient rule execution and decision management. Here are some key considerations. Rule design best practices. Efficient rule design is fundamental. Avoid overly complex rules and ensure they are optimized for execution. Rule execution server configuration. Properly configure the rule execution server, RACE, to handle the expected load. This involves adjusting thread pools, memory allocation, and caching strategies based on workload characteristics. Load balancing. Implement load balancing mechanisms to distribute rule execution across multiple RACE instances if needed. This helps in distributing workload and improving overall system responsiveness. Caching strategies. Utilize caching for frequently accessed data or rule results to reduce computation time. IBM ODM provides caching mechanisms that can be configured based on the nature of data and rules. Monitoring and performance analysis. Continuously monitor the performance metrics of RACE instances. Use tools like IBM Operations Decision Manager Console for monitoring and analysis to identify bottlenecks and optimize performance. Scalability planning. Plan for scalability by designing a resilient architecture that can horizontally scale by adding more RACE instances or vertically scale by upgrading hardware resources as needed. Database optimization. Optimize database access patterns and configurations, as ODM often relies on a database for storing rules and decision data. Ensure database queries are efficient and properly indexed. Version management. Manage rule versions effectively to control the impact of changes on performance. Avoid unnecessary deployments and keep rule versions streamlined. Security features in IBM ODM. IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, provides several security features to ensure the protection and integrity of decision management processes. Here are some key security features. Authentication and authorization. ODM supports integration with various authentication mechanisms, LDAP, Active Directory, etc., to control user access. Role-based access control, RBAC, allows administrators to manage permissions based on roles. Data encryption. ODM supports encryption of sensitive data both at rest and in transit, ensuring that decision data and communications are secure. Audit logging. ODM maintains detailed audit logs of user activities, decision changes, and system access. These logs are crucial for compliance auditing and troubleshooting security incidents. Secure deployment. ODM provides guidelines and tools for secure deployment configurations, including network segmentation, secure communication protocols, and hardening of servers. Integration security. ODM integrates securely with other enterprise systems and applications, ensuring that data exchanges and integrations are protected against unauthorized access and tampering. Governance and compliance. ODM supports governance frameworks and compliance standards, helping organizations adhere to regulatory requirements and internal policies related to decision management. Continuous monitoring ODM includes capabilities for continuous monitoring of system health and security metrics, enabling proactive identification and mitigation of security risks. These features collectively enhance the security posture of IBM ODM deployments, making it suitable for enterprise-grade decision management applications where data integrity and confidentiality are paramount. Case studies: successful implementations of IBM ODM. Implementations of IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, have been successful in various industries, showcasing its effectiveness in decision management and business rules automation. Here are a few notable case studies. Financial services. Many banks and financial institutions use IBM ODM to automate decision-making processes related to loan approvals, credit risk assessment, and compliance with regulations. By implementing ODM, these organizations achieve faster processing times, improved accuracy in decision-making, and enhanced regulatory compliance. Telecommunications. Telecom companies leverage IBM ODM to manage complex billing systems, customer service processes, and network operations. By automating decision logic, these companies can ensure consistent billing accuracy, streamline customer interactions, and optimize network resources effectively. Healthcare. Healthcare providers use IBM ODM to manage patient care protocols, insurance claims processing, and regulatory compliance. By integrating ODM with electronic health records (EHR) systems, healthcare organizations can automate clinical decision support, ensuring adherence to medical guidelines and improving patient outcomes. Retail and e-commerce. Retailers utilize IBM ODM for dynamic pricing strategies, personalized marketing campaigns, and inventory management. By analyzing customer data in real time and applying business rules, retailers can optimize pricing, promotions, and product recommendations to enhance customer satisfaction and maximize revenue. Insurance. Insurance companies employ IBM ODM for underwriting decisions, claims processing, and policy management. By automating complex risk assessments and claims adjudication processes, insurers can reduce operational costs, minimize fraud risks, and improve customer service delivery. Best practices for implementing IBM ODM. Implementing IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, involves several best practices to ensure successful deployment and efficient management of decision-making processes. Here are some key practices. Understand business requirements. Ensure clear understanding of business rules and decision logic that need to be implemented using IBM ODM. Governance and version control. Establish governance practices for managing rule artifacts, versions, and changes over time. Use version control systems to manage rule projects effectively. Modular design. Use modular design principles to break down decision logic into manageable rule artifacts. This facilitates easier maintenance and updates. Testing and validation. Implement rigorous testing processes to validate rule changes and decision outcomes. Use testing frameworks provided by IBM ODM for unit testing and scenario-based testing. Performance optimization. Optimize rule execution performance by designing efficient rule sets and leveraging caching mechanisms where applicable. Monitor and tune rule execution as needed. Security and access control. Implement robust security measures to control access to rule projects and decision services. Follow IBM ODM security guidelines for user roles and permissions. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation of rule logic, decision flows, and integration points. This helps in understanding and troubleshooting decision outcomes. Continuous integration and deployment. CI/CD. Implement CI/CD pipelines to automate deployment of rule changes across environments, development, testing, production. Ensure consistency and reliability in rule deployment processes. Monitoring and analytics. Implement monitoring mechanisms to track rule execution metrics, decision outcomes, and performance statistics. Use analytics to derive insights for continuous improvement. Training and support. Provide training to business users, developers, and administrators on using IBM ODM effectively. Establish a support framework for handling issues and queries related to rule management and execution. Future trends and developments in IBM ODM. Implementing IBM ODM, Operational Decision Manager, involves several best practices to ensure effective deployment and utilization. Requirements gathering. Clearly define and document business rules and decision logic that need to be implemented within IBM ODM. Modular design. Use modular design principles to break down complex decision logic into manageable rules and rule flows. This improves maintainability and scalability. Version control. Implement version control practices to track changes in rule sets and decision models over time, ensuring traceability and easy rollback if needed. Testing strategy. Develop comprehensive test cases to validate decision logic under various scenarios. Use ODM's testing capabilities to automate testing where possible. Performance optimization. Optimize rule execution performance by leveraging rule optimization techniques provided by IBM ODM. This includes indexing, caching, and rule sequencing. Governance and compliance. Implement governance frameworks to manage rule lifecycle, access control, and compliance requirements. Ensure adherence to regulatory standards where applicable. Integration with IT systems. Integrate IBM ODM seamlessly with existing IT systems and applications using standard protocols and APIs. This facilitates real-time decision-making. Monitoring and analytics. Establish monitoring mechanisms to track rule execution metrics, performance indicators, and business outcomes. Use analytics to continuously improve decision models. Future trends and developments in IBM ODM. AI and machine learning integration. IBM is increasingly integrating AI and machine learning capabilities into ODM to enhance decision-making processes with predictive analytics and adaptive learning. Cloud deployment and microservices. There is a growing trend towards deploying ODM in cloud environments and leveraging microservices architecture for scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Enhanced decision insights. Future developments may focus on providing deeper insights into decision-making processes through advanced analytics and visualization tools integrated within ODM. Event-driven decision management, IBM ODM is likely to evolve towards event-driven decision management, enabling real-time responses to dynamic business events and conditions. Enhanced developer experience, continued improvements in user interfaces, developer tools, and APIs to enhance the developer experience and accelerate rule development and deployment cycles. Blockchain integration, IBM ODM may integrate with blockchain technology to enhance trust and transparency in decision management processes, especially in industries like finance and supply chain. Why choose ProExcellency for IBM Operational Decision Manager online training? Choosing ProExcellency for IBM Operational Decision Manager (ODM) online training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise in IBM ODM, ProExcellency likely specializes in IBM technologies, including ODM, ensuring that the training is comprehensive and focused on the specific features and capabilities of IBM ODM. Experienced trainers, they are likely to have experienced trainers who have practical knowledge and industry experience in implementing IBM ODM solutions, which can provide valuable insights beyond theoretical knowledge. Customized training programs, ProExcellency may offer customized training programs tailored to different skill levels and specific business needs, ensuring that participants get the most relevant knowledge and skills. Hands-on learning, they may emphasize hands-on learning with practical examples and exercises, which is crucial for understanding how to implement and use IBM ODM effectively in real-world scenarios. Support and resources, they may provide post-training support, access to resources like practice labs or materials, and possibly certification preparation assistance, which can enhance the learning experience and help participants achieve their goals. Flexibility and accessibility, online training offered by ProExcellency allows flexibility in scheduling and accessibility from anywhere, making it convenient for participants to learn without geographical constraints. Thank you.